Did you know a single Texas law could force Netflix, Disney Plus, and even Amazon Prime to rewrite every episode of a hit spy show? That's the kind of tech law clash that could rewrite streaming revenue models overnight. But here's the kicker. This isn't about piracy or copyright. It's about a decades-old Texas statute on public nuisance that suddenly became a weapon against scripted TV. If you're a dev building a recommendation engine, you've probably wrestled with data pipelines that get yanked overnight because a legal battle forces a whole catalog offline. Imagine your ML model suddenly feeding on ghosts. Stay tuned, because I'm going to walk you through a 3-step framework that lets you future-proof your codebase against surprise legal shocks, using feature flags, modular licensing layers, and a clever API gateway trick. First, we unpack the Texas spy show law, its origin in 1995, the language about obscenity and public harm, and why it now targets a 2024 streaming series. Understanding the statute is the first line of defense. Next, see how Google's YouTube team built a dynamic compliance engine that automatically geoblocks content based on regional statutes. We'll map that architecture onto the Texas case and show the code snippets. Most engineers think, just add a disclaimer. That mistake cost Disney $15 million in litigation fees and forced a rushed takedown that broke user experience. We'll break down the 3 most costly mistakes. Now the hands-on part. Keycap 1, create a policy as code file. Keycap 2, hook it into your CI/CD pipeline with Terraform. Keycap 3, deploy a serverless validation layer that reads the policy before each content push. I'll walk you through each command. After applying this workflow, a mid-size streaming startup reduced compliance downtime from days to under 2 hours, saved $2.3 million in potential fines, and kept their recommendation engine humming. Here's the secret sauce most devs miss. A zero-trust edge cache that validates content at the CDN level using signed JWTs tied to legal metadata. It adds less than 5 milliseconds latency but locks down legal risk. If you found this deep dive useful, smash that subscribe button. Join the Discord where we dissect real-world legal tech incidents. And next week we'll break down the EU's I Act and what it means for your code.